Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter project. Today I have a really fun layered paper craft for you. This is my layered Easter bunny. Isn't that so fun with the different textures, the different colors? Super fun. Very easy to put together. Let's get our materials ready and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2023. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can find the individual cut file for purchase in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. There's also a link in the description box below. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, which gives you all 12 event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and bonus Easter cut files, there's a link for more information in the description box. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. Okay, our project has been brought into our canvas. If you want to resize the project at all, I would make sure to keep the proportions locked and then change the width and the height. I have it sized exactly how I would like it, so I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. You'll see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, now that everything has been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So you can definitely use foam dots or foam squares to add some dimension to this, but I'm just going to layer everything on top of each other. So we're going to start from blue, green, orange, pink, white, and then this dark blue as the outline layer. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help to act as a visual guide for you, but I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video while I go ahead and layer everything together. And there is our fun layered Easter bunny. So fun. Wasn't this a fun project? I love layered designs. They're just one of my favorite things to do. Now you could totally resize this layered project and use it on a card if you prefer. Just make sure that you keep the proportions locked when you resize the project within Design Space. You could make it into a card, you can make it into a shadow box. There are so many different things that you could do with this file. If you make this project, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of crafty friends who love to support and motivate each other, and we would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I'll see you at the next crafting video. Bye!